in the heartland of American sports culture, where fervent fans gather to witness epic clashes of strength and strategy, there exist colossal amphitheaters dedicated to the art of college football. These mammoth stadiums not only serve as battlegrounds for gridiron gladiators, but also as temples of tradition, where roaring crowds create an atmosphere that transcends the confines of mere sport. As we delve into the realm of collegiate football, we uncover the creme de la creme of these coliseums, each with its own unique history, grandeur, and capacity to unite thousands in a symphony of cheers. From the iconic to the awe-inspiring, let's count down America's top 11 largest collegiate football stadiums. 11.